Hi friends, you are watching my technical network. How to know a person who is trying to unlock your mobile? You will know in this video. Please subscribe my channel for more videos and press the bell icon. Now let's start. Go to the Play Store. Just enter INTRUDER intruder SELFIE intruder selfie. Link is also available in the description of this video. You can easily download this application from this link. Downloading is in progress. Just wait to the once downloading complete. Downloading is almost completed. Now the application is installing. Application is almost installed. Open the application. Next. Grant permission. Allow them and next. Similarly, grant permission. Allow them and next. Finish. Do some necessary setting. Number of picture. Similarly, detection behavior always. Okay. Setting is almost completed. Lock the mobile and enter the wrong pattern. Amazing! He captured my selfies. Friends, at least try this. It is amazing application. Thanks for watching the video.